Implantology is prosthetic-driven surgical treatment modality. So what does being a dental surgeon mean? How is being a dental surgeon different from being a dentist? Okay? It basically means how strong our I, R and S are. Incision, reflection and suturing. So please try to practice surgeries. Then if you are going for post-graduation, I advise you would be going for post-graduation. You are aware of 9 branches of dentistry, 6 clinical, 3 so-called non-clinical. Out of 6 clinical, just 2 are surgical, 4 are non-surgical or restorative. Which are the 2 surgical branches? One from a hospital point of view, that is oral surgery, and one from a private practice point of view, that is perio. It is as simple as that. I am a periodontal surgeon and implantologist. That is my identity. That is my professional identity.